Neler dedim başında, neler anlattım. I'm claiming my object, and I am taking it and processing and synthesizing it, and then after I process, I'm going to produce my two-dimensional imagery over here. You never and ever don't ever draw from two-dimensional objects. We don't draw from computer screens, telephone screens. You live with the object, you interact with the object, and you position yourself according to you. Make decision where your horizon is going to be in relation to the object. So this is a good place to locate your horizon. And your center of vista, point of view, is going to be, it's not going to overlap significantly character giving elements of the object. For example, this piece is not going to be hidden behind this piece. So I'm going to position myself accordingly, right? Accordingly. So now I can see all the significant characteristic elements of the object from this point of view. If I slide just a bit, yes. And now I put my finger on the uppermost top point of the object. Yes, that is it. It is somewhere over here. And now that is the lowest yes, that is the lowest point of the object, and it will be somewhere over here. So I claim my object, thank you, and I capture my object, and I put it in my sketchbook roughly somewhat like that, because it is taller than it is wider, so it will be somewhere like that. Normally I don't draw this heavy, my structural analysis construction lines. Yes, I do use construction lines from my palette. I have variety of line weights, and that is the lightest line weight supposedly, but right now I'm using a darker line for you so you can see. And now the next step is positioning or putting the horizon roughly somewhere around here, and my horizon extends out of my sketch pad. It comes out like this, and so my horizon is somewhere over here, and my vanishing point is going to be somewhere around this area. Can you bring your hand? So that is one vanishing point over here, and the other vanishing point is over here. If I was drawing on a white table, I would put marks over here on the table, and I would extend my vanishing points on those points on the table. But right now I am on a site. I am drawing a fountain in the complex külliye of a mosque, and I don't have a table, so I'm going to be drawing with imaginary vanishing points. And I will remember where Efe's hand was, and I will remember where Beliz's hand was, so I'm going to vanish my lines to those vanishing points. And as I said, I'm going to be using geometry as a reference instrument, and let's say there is a box around this chair, and the box is going to be sitting in my sketchbook somewhat like that. These are the vertical three sides of the box, and that is the rear end edge of the box. And so Efe's hand was somewhere over here, and the top corner of the box is like that. It comes on like that, huh? Like that. This is the top corner, and that is the top edge. And so that point right over here is going to vanish to Efe's hand, like that. Going to vanish somewhat like that. And now, from that corner towards the left, it's going to vanish to Beliz's hand. The other, normally I would call them vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. And How about the bottom points, bottom corners? They go like that too. So the horizon line and those two lines are going to converge at the vanishing point right there. And that one is going to vanish to this. Okay, so this is